Before we start the topic, comment the reasons why you are choosing data science. In today's video, we'll discuss what is data science, what are the programming languages and tools required in data science, skill set required, jobs and salaries, syllabus in data science. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence. I'm Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Before we start the video, if you are afraid of mathematics and puzzle solving, straight away quit the idea of choosing data science, because data science is mostly into mathematics. Most importantly, you need to be very enthusiastic about coding and logics. If you are not good at mathematics and if you are afraid of mathematics, don't choose data science, because if you choose that, you feel more stressful. Let's start understanding what is data science. I will start with a general example: YouTube. If you are watching videos in YouTube in English language, your recommendations will be English videos. In the same way, if you are watching Tamil or Hindi language videos, respective videos will be recommended by YouTube. But what kind of magic is this? And also, if you clearly observe this video, if you are while watching, you may get artificial intelligence or data science related advertisements. So the logic lies between is the trillion amount of data. YouTube will collect trillions amount of data in category wise, such as age and gender of the viewer and the language preferences and the timings of the viewers. Based on all this data, and they analyze this data, processing the data is called data science, and the role given by data science is data scientist. Now all this data is given to a machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineer will create algorithms, which is YouTube recommendation algorithms. So data scientist main task is to analyze the data and create understandable patterns. These data can be in different streams, for example, financial institutions, IT sectors, telecommunication services, construction field and insurance field. Now this data is given to machine learning engineer to create artificial intelligence software. So from all these examples, we can conclude that data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence are interlinked. Now the next thing, how data scientists gather data and analyze data and the skill set required for data scientist. As a scientist, you need to learn either one of these programming languages, Python or R programming language. By using either Python language or R programming language, you can collect the data, analyze the data, and you can create understandable patterns from the data. Out of Python programming and R programming languages, most of the coaching centers or even in the academics, for example, BTech 4-year course or BSc 3 years course, most of the teaching or institutions will teach you only Python language, because Python language contains more libraries. So more libraries means more ways of analyzing the data. The next step, you need to visualize the data. But for visualization, you take an example of Excel sheet. For 100 users, you can type in Excel, you can visualize the data. What if there is thousands of users data and lakhs of users of data? It's difficult and complex to visualize the data in an Excel sheet. So that's the reason you need some visualization tools. Best examples are Tableau and Power BI. These are the visualization tools widely used by data scientists. So you need to learn either one of these visualization tools. The next step, you need to learn mathematics. Remember, only if you love mathematics, then your job marriage will happen faster. Important point here, if you are fear of mathematics, better not to choose data science. It will become a nightmare for you. The reason, computer gets intelligence through logics, and the logics works from mathematical formulas. So you need to be good at mathematics and mathematical formulas. And don't worry if you are not good at mathematics, I will suggest some of the mathematical topics: linear algebra, statistics, probability, calculus and permutation combinations. You don't need to worry about these mathematical concepts. We already learned these concepts in our 10th standard. These are all basics mathematics. Now the final step, program deployment. Once you have done your coding in Python language, you need to deploy the program, right? For that reason, you need to be good at one of the cloud softwares. Either it can be AWS or Azure. And why you need to choose AWS or Azure? To process this huge 1000 data points of code, our normal system RAMs unable to process the data. Our normal system contains 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, but Azure or AWS can offer up to 512 GB RAM support. So faster way of processing out data can be possible. Now the next step, what are the additional skills required for a data scientist? You need to have fundamentals about algorithms and deep learning. And why you need to learn about algorithms and deep learning? Because in today's environment about job structure, most of the companies using a data scientist as a machine learning engineer or a machine learning engineer as a data scientist. They are simply swapping their roles. Because of the project environment, they are not doing high level projects. Most of the companies are going for low level projects. So here they are twisting their job roles, like data scientist as machine learning as data scientist. That's the reason in this competitive world, if you want to successful, then you need to learn about machine learning skills as well. Now coming to data scientist course, if you are doing BTech 4-year course, AIDS or BSc 3-year course, this is the syllabus pattern and the topics covered. Data structures and algorithms, ML communication, mathematics for data science, Python programming, artificial intelligence, DBMS with SQL, probability and statistics, advanced database, core Java, deep learning, advanced Java, big data architecture, and finally project. Now coming to institute level, if you are learning data science through institutes, mostly they teach you Python or R programming language. They only touch the basics about mathematics. So get as much knowledge about mathematics skills. The next step, job opportunities and salaries. Remember, data science is the future, but at the current scenario of the market, data science jobs are not high and not low, they are in medium level. Companies like Google, Wipro, Oracle, Accenture, Amazon, Flipkart, HCL and Deloitte hiring for data scientists. But for freshers, most of the startups are providing job opportunities. A point to be noted here that most of the engineers directly not getting the role of a data scientist. Either they need to start their career as a data analyst, then with experience they are getting their core job role as data scientist. Most of the job holders doing similar job roles but not as a data scientist. So choose your companies before joining the job, and also very few companies are offering the core job roles. Now coming to location wise, for example, your job locations, go for Bengaluru, Pune, Chennai and also Hyderabad, because these are already IT developed locations, these cities are, and also more openings can be expected in the field of data science. And finally, salary structure. For freshers, startups can offer up to 6 to 8 lakh rupees per annum, and also for well established companies offering up to 8 lakhs to 12 lakh per annum. Some small startup companies, they may offer 3 to 5 lakh per annum also. But always look for the project. If the project is interesting for you, if it is a core project, go for a small salary also, because learning is important in data science. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Artificial Intelligence. For facts videos, please do subscribe to MVS Facts English.